When you decided to come back to the practice of law, what was the deciding factor on this is where I'm going to come back into practice? How did you choose what you wanted to do at that point?
Sure. So when I came back, my mom, who's a teacher in Killeen, it was like, oh, you're going to teach. Let me find you a teaching job, right? She was like, we'll find you a job in Killeen. That way you can teach. And I was like, oh no, I'm coming back. I'm going to do law, right? I'm going to do something different. And so my biggest struggle was figuring out what area of law am I about to do? Because I've done stocks and mergers. I've done criminal. What are we going to do? And so I just I opened up my own little law practice and I said, I'm just going to try everything and figure out which one I wanted to do. But I had to narrow it down because I didn't want to be too broad. And I didn't want to be one of those people that was like, I'm a general practitioner. I can do everything. I was like, let me figure out exactly what area. So I did family. I did education, coming from being an educator, and I did employment. And so I just, I marketed myself as an employment attorney. I marketed myself as an educator, helping parents navigate 504 accommodations, those issues. And then I marketed myself as family. And I really enjoyed the family. I really enjoyed the education aspect, that doing education law, but it was a struggle finding parents. Maybe my marketing was wrong, but I just didn't have the constant workflow coming in. But in family, I did. And I really enjoyed the family practice. The struggle was learning family law. I had never done it before. I was like, what is this family code? There's local rules. So it was learning the family law, learning the family code, and just figuring that out so I could help my clients.